Hi there, this is Doc Mountain and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw TAN coin. First of all, you have to have 0.02 TAN coins in your TAN keeper, the one that you had whitelisted. So let's open TAN keeper. Okay, once you're in, you quickly click receive and then you copy the wallet address that you see there. Then head on to the wallet where you have a balance of TAN keeper. So I'm gonna open the wallet. So make sure you open the wallet where TAN coin is kept. I've opened the wallet where TAN coin is. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click send, then click external wallet. Then when they say TAN address or domain, I'm gonna paste in the address there. Then send. Then I'm gonna determine how many TAN coins I want to send. So 0.4. Then I click continue. Okay, so now having transferred the TAN coins to the TAN keeper, we can head on to the TAN keeper and check if that has actually been transferred. So here we go. Where are you, TAN keeper? It's loading. Okay, so we are in. What we do is we check at the bottom there where it reads TAN coin, and boom, we have 0.4 TAN. So we can head back to Telegram so as to initiate the withdrawal. So let's look for TAN King. Where are you, TAN King? Here we are. So we can click launch up and boom, we are in. Still loading. Okay, so now after it loads, you have to click in the bottom right corner on the wallet, and then you check the balance of your vest. That's the vesting balance. That's the one which is withdrawable. So we can actually punch in what we have. That's 3,781. And after that, we can now hit withdraw. Okay, they're saying we'll deduct 0.02 TAN as a gas fee from your connected wallet. And we already have this, right? Just confirm. And we are in TAN keeper wallet. Okay, so you actually have this prompt. What you need to do is you slide that arrow to the right to confirm. Then enter the password. Okay, boom, and it's been confirmed. Okay, so check at the top there. You'll get TAN King into your wallet in 72 to something hours. Like, so that has actually been withdrawn. Success.
you.